Gus Schmidt, and I'm back with a new trading video today. And today I'm going to be trading regular currency pairs on the platform Pocket Option. And what I'm going to be utilizing is one indicator, and it's called the Ichimoku uh, Ichimoku Kinko, also known as the Ichimoku Cloud indicator. All right, so we're going to go in and change the settings. Tenkan San, we want to set it to 7. Kijun San to 30. And Senkou Span B to 52. In addition to that, we're going to uncheck the top 3 lines here. Initially in the default settings, all of these are checked off, but we're going to go ahead and uncheck them, the top 3 lines, and keep the Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B. We set the color to green, 2 pixels, red, 2 pixels. Okay. All right. In addition to that, I'm going to be using regular Japanese candles, 1 minute. I have my candle set to 1 minute Japanese candles, and I'm going to be taking 1 minute trades, 60-second trades. All right. So I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay. So I'm on the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And what we're looking for, why I took this trade is because first I noticed the price entered the cloud area here between the red and the green lines. And that's what we're looking for. We want the price to be within the cloud first. And then subsequently to that, the price left the cloud and closed, the price closed outside the cloud. So I took a trade in the direction of the movement, which is a bullish trade, a buy trade, a call trade. And so let's look for the results of this trade, wait for the results of this trade. It's going in our direction currently. So let's wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So the trade closed in the money. All right, I'm going to pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back on the Great British Pound Canadian dollar. And so what we're looking for, as mentioned previously, is that we wait for the price to enter the cloud here, right? So the price has entered the cloud, and it's within the cloud between the green and the red bands. And what we wait for is for the price to pop outside and close outside the cloud. And when the price closes outside the cloud, you take a trade in the direction of the movement, which here is a buy trade or a call trade. So I went ahead and took a call trade. And so let's watch the results of this trade. Okay, great. So we won that trade as well. Basically, this strategy is sort of a breakout strategy. Once the price breaks out the cloud, we're going to have a small breakout in the direction of the trend here, which is bullish. Someone, a trader mentioned that he bought this strategy for $5,000 from another trader. Not sure if that's true, but anyway, let's pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound Aussie Dollar pair, and just like in the previous trades, what I did is I waited for the price to enter the cloud, which it did here, and then it has to be in the cloud. And when the price closes outside of the cloud here, so you wait for the price to close. You don't take a trade when the price is in the process of going outside. You wait till the price closes outside the cloud here, and then you take the trade in the direction of the movement, which is buy trade. And this trade is doing It's moving in our direction, which is a good sign. And let's wait for the expiry of this trade. And great. So yes, we won that trade. So we're 3 for 3. Let's go for one more trade. Just an aside here, whenever you see price moving like this in a in a horizontal direction where it's consolidating, don't deal with setups like this. Stay away from setups like this. All right. Go. I'm gonna pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm on the Great British Pound Japanese Yen, and what I did is I waited for the price to enter the cloud here in this bearish direction. You see that? And then waited for the price to close outside the cloud. And so then I took a trade in the direction of the movement. All right, so let's monitor this trade. Okay, good. So we won that trade. So today we were 4 for 4. And so I'm going to continue to use this strategy over the next few days to see how consistent it is. Uh, like I mentioned before, a trader mentioned that he had bought this strategy for $5,000 from a previous trader. So yeah, so if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video, and I have a link to the platform in the video comments and in the channel, the bio, in the channel bio. So if you like this strategy, share it with your friends. Anyway, signing off, Gus Schmidt. Thank you for watching.